Hi everybody, Stan Slaughter again. Climate Friendly Yard Makeover, Missouri Organic Recycling. I'm down here at Krystle's house and we've just finished cutting a nice berm across here. This area is going to be the food forest. Kevin's been helping me. We just did a little shovel job to clean out the bottom of the trench, but Krystle will be deciding what we're going to plant here on the berm. And we've been graciously gifted with the use of a BCS tiller by Juniper Gardens, part of Cultivate KC, and it's over there. Beautiful machine, worked perfectly. So this is going to hold water. As the water runs down this hill, it'll interrupt it. 3 S's: slow, spread, and soak. And the plants that are planted on the top of the berm, they'll have extra water compared to plants that aren't there. Stop that runoff and hold that water for later in the year.